Okay, hello everyone. This is DJ from Kenya. He come to China buy our machine. The machine from our factory. On Mac. He buy all the machine from our factory, include the cough bonding machine and include the laser machine and the polarized machine. He buy all of this machine on Mac, and all this machine already shipment from China to Kenya. And Mr. DJ already received the machine, and you come to China, come to our factory this month, start the training. Travel to China to start the training, and we provide a few training for you for all the machine, for show you how to operation the machine and how to repair the TV screen using the machine. So about the 10 days training, how you feel and how you think about our machine and the technology?
The machine and the technology are really excellent. The trainers are highly knowledgeable. They know everything about the products. They give you loads of training about different products, different issues. They have all the different aspects of training. They go through with you very patiently, and they have good amount of issues which they can help you to resolve, and they show you every single bit step by step. You really learn very good over here. I would definitely recommend WeiCai for future references and for the training and selling their products. The products have been excellent. They can do a variety of repairs, which include from laser. We took all the machines like laser, bonding, mobile bonding. We took the polarizer, tearing, and applying machines as well. The trainers are excellent. You should definitely visit WeiCai.
Thank
really
you,
nice.
thank you your support. Thank you so very much.
Thanks to you.
As you know, we are the directly factory. We are making this machine, and we provide the few training. As you know, some customer they don't know use the machine before. Maybe some customer the neighbor use this machine. So why sometimes we ask customer come to visit our factory, come to China, travel to China to visit our machine, because the important is we provide the training for the machine. So for you and for another customer, I think this is the base, and this is the important things for you, because repair the TV screen is not only you have the machine, but also you must control the technology. Because in the future, machine is just the tools, but technology is the importance.
Technique is very important. That's correct. I really appreciate that. And it is very important to come and train over here and learn from the best guys. They have huge amount of experience. So I appreciate your training, and I appreciate the way we have done things over here. Thank you so much.
Okay. Also, thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you for your support. Okay.
Welcome.